Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are cleaning my room again. My plan for that day was actually to film the KonMari method. I wanted to go through my clothes and kind of organize my clothing the KonMari way, and then I took a good look at my room and thought no, you need to stop, clean your room first. So that's what I did. But after I finished, I didn't feel like doing the KonMari method again. So that's why we have this video. But next week, I'm going to be uploading my KonMari video. So if you guys want to see it, subscribe so you guys don't miss out. To say thank you for all the support that you guys have been showing me, I decided I want to do a giveaway. So I want to give away 2 $50 Amazon gift cards. So there's going to be 2 winners. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. You can comment whatever you like in the comment section. Just make sure you include your Instagram name so I can contact you. This is an international giveaway, so anyone can enter. So definitely enter, and you may just win.
Det var första gången vi möttes, våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers, då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby, ja du allians. Du är försiktig baby, men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby, men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby, ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffar någon som dig.
Here you see me putting some of my clean clothes on my bed because this is when I still thought I was going to do the KonMari method. But I promise you guys it's coming. I'm actually going to be doing this throughout the video. All the clothes that I know I want to sort and figure out if it brings me joy, I'm going to be putting on my bed. If you're lacking the motivation to clean a super messy table like this one, I'd recommend setting a timer, maybe like a 10-minute timer or a 20-minute timer, something that you feel like is doable, and see how fast you can clean off a table in that time.
Du kommer väl till min city? Nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom det bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet du gör mig nykär, skön social, smart good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig var du finns, yeah.
I have another tip for you guys. When you're cleaning your room, try putting on a podcast or listen to a YouTube video. I wouldn't recommend watching something like a makeup tutorial. Maybe put on a cleaning video like this one, or watch a girl talk. It just makes the time go by so fast, or even watching people's lives. I did that in my last video and I did not notice the time going by. So if you're struggling and you're cleaning your room right now and you're getting kind of bored, try one of those tips.
Por ti mi corazón palpita, siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby. Ya yo lo sé, que te enamoraste y yo, bebé, real no soy perfecta. Amor que me inyectas, no me dejas quieta. Soy tu bebecita, te espero ya mis páginas donde no están escritas, porque los dos juntos podamos pintar donde vamos a estar y nos va a encantar. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Eres mis ganas de no estar con nadie más. Me pongo roja si preguntas cómo estás, es que tus besos me saben a miel y toca tu pie también, al corazón directo llegarás. Te quiero más.
By the way, if you're wondering what candle I'm burning, I'm using this candle called Cherry Blossom from Chrystelle's Candles. They're a small business and I really like their scents. I think my favorite summer scent is called Mango and Coconut. I'll leave their Etsy shop down below and their website. Like always, I'm sweeping first, then using my Swiffer, what are they called? The dry wipes, the microfiber towels. And then I use the Swiffer like regular mop thing, and yeah, that's basically all I do, usually. Sometimes I change it up, but today that's what I'm doing.
I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
So in my last video, I got a comment. I'm gonna post it right here, so thank you for the tip. I'm not gonna lie, I have tried that out before, but I've had issues with the ink of the newspaper bleeding on to like the silver part of my mirror. So I'm thinking maybe I just need to use a page that just doesn't have as much ink, but I am definitely going to be trying it out.
But my girls, yeah, sipping that pop. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I hope it motivated you. If you're still cleaning, I'm going to link a playlist in the description box so you guys can follow along and watch. Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway. There's going to be 2 winners, an Amazon gift card. Get excited. You only have to like this video, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.